Shout out to Deborah and Pistos, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular uploads and your chance to be included in shoutouts for future videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be making some Lychee Guava soap for King of Suds, and I'm going to be using this absolutely sensational smell from Heirloom Body Care. Lychee and guava smells absolutely divine. Oh, so good. And one thing I love about Heirloom Body Care, their fragrance oils, is it doesn't really have a, that chemical synthetic type smell. I find that a lot of their fragrances don't have that yucky smell, and they just smell so good, especially this one. I'm going to be making a batch of that soon, Japanese honeysuckle. Oh gosh, it smells so good. Really, really nice. I'm really looking forward to it. And Hawaiian frangipani as well is absolutely beautiful. Oh, I just want to smell it now. Oh gosh, that's going to make such a nice soap. But anyway, that aside, Lychee Guava is what we're making today. I already have weighed out the required fragrance here, and my mica as well. I'm using bridesmaid mica, see if you can see it. That's also from Heirloom Body Care as well, bridesmaid mica. So I'm really happy to give that a try today. And I've got these new little pictures as well, which is great for colouring. So I'll be mixing the mica in there. It's just going to be a 2-colour swirl. The clay's already in here, and I'm just going to split a little bit off and add the mica. And apparently it behaves itself, so I'm just going to be adding that straight to the oil. I did read online that it behaves. So don't forget to, I'm sure I've mentioned it before on the channel. Hang on, where did I put the fragrance up? Here it is. Losing things already. I have an active affiliate program with Heirloom Body Care as well. It helps support the channel and me. And you can go ahead and use Dawn5 at checkout at Heirloom Body Care. You'll save 5% off your order. Minimum spend is $75, and you can use the code as many times as you like. It's not just a one-off. So don't forget, affiliate information is in the description. And another thing too I'll point out about their fragrances is that I'm pretty sure I'm saying it properly, but I'm going to leave it up here just in case I'm not. Phthalate free. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. All their fragrances are phthalate free and they don't smell synthetic. So, and in here is 4% of the Lychee Guava. Really nice, with 0.5% of the natural vitamin E. In here is the oils. I'm not going to go through the recipe. It's all in the description. It's just a combination of olive, coconut, shea, castor and soybean, so that's what's in here. The white Australian clay is in here too. The 1% sugar syrup is also in here. This is my lye water. There is pink salt in here, sodium lactate and sodium gluconate, and all the percentages are below down in the description. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how this colour turns out. Let me just grab the colour and also how the scent holds up as well. Apparently the scent holds up good from what I've read, and other people told me that Lychee Guava is really nice from Heirloom. So I'm pretty sure it's going to behave itself, so I'm quite confident to mix that up now. And if it doesn't behave itself, well, I'm used to working with fast recipes for some reason. A lot of recipes I use with certain essential oil blends, they trace really fast. So if I can work with that, then even if this accelerates a little, it'll be fine. And the only reason why it might is because I do use steep water discounting. So I'm not sure, but we'll see. We'll be alright. So I'm just going to stick blend everything that's in here first before I add the lye, just to make sure the clays and everything is well incorporated. And also I forgot to mention, I've got 2 cubes of the ultra concentrated oat milk in here, which I will add a little link above so you can see where it is. Should be there. So that's where, if you wanted to find out how I make my oat milk, just go watch that video, it's great. Alright, so I think that's it. I'm just gonna, everything's done. I've got my safety gear on, my glasses, my gloves. I'm going to go ahead and grab my stick blender and go ahead and start making some Lychee Guava cold process soap. So let's go.